everyone. Today I want to share don't give up. See, whatever you do, right, you don't get the results instantly, though there are some people who may get, right, and there is nothing wrong with it. So sometimes some people are lucky as well, so maybe somebody gets success in 1 or 2 years, and some people have to work hard for it for 10 or 15 years. So 90 to 95% I see it took almost 5 to 10 years or maybe 15 years to reach where they are, right? So I think first of all, also I believe like the fun is not in reaching the destination. The fun is truly enjoying the journey, right? Whatever you're doing, and the fun is more about the person you become to achieve your goal, right? So if it would have been easy, anybody would have done it, right? Anybody can dream that they want to be a top actor, right? But can anyone stay in game for next 20 years or 30 years and go through all ups and down, right? So some people are going to give up on first level, some people will give up on second level, right? So right, and even like even if you reach the top level, then also it's nothing that you will never fail or you will never face a loss, right? So anybody can go ahead and face loss anytime in business, right? That's why it's very important that we all stay humble wherever we are. So one thing I believe in life, that when we are on top, then also we should stay humble and stay same. And when we are not at the top, and or even in fact we are at rock bottom as well, then also we should not give up, then also we should stay same and we should not panic, because I believe after night the day always comes, right? And after night the sun always shines, and nobody can stop the sun from shining. Some people might try to stop your success, right, or might not be happy for you, but they cannot stop you actually, right? So that's what I want to share, that don't give up. If you're facing challenges, that is for your good only, so that you can combine all your talents together, whatever gift or talent you have, right? Because everybody have different gifts and everybody have different talents. So universe might be forcing you to go ahead and share your second talent or second gift as well. All right, so and it's great, right? What's wrong with it? So anytime you see that something is not working, so I think that's the time when you need to go ahead and do introspection and see why it's not working and what changes you need to make, right? So instead of giving up, I think it's okay, you go ahead and take rest for 1 or 2 days or for a week. I think you can listen to universe when you shut the outside noise. So this is wonderful quote I wrote few days back. So yeah, so then you can listen to universe, okay, what next you need to do, and then you can go ahead and start working on that particular thing, right? Instead of comparing yourself to others, or instead of giving up, right? So also I believe like life is a roller coaster. Once you will go up, you will go down to learn some lessons in life, and nobody is perfect, and we all need some lessons time to time, right? Otherwise we'll start having ego, right? So sometimes universe push us to face some challenges so that we can stay grounded, we can stay humble and we can know that who is the higher power, right? So we are not the higher power, of course God is the higher power, but some people start having ego and they start thinking that they are God, so then God has to do something to kill their ego right? So also I see like in spiritual community also some people have really big spiritual ego, and they say anything to anyone. And so one thing I want to say, even Ravan was also spiritual, and then Ram had to kill him, right? And that's why we celebrate Dashera as well. So spiritual ego is not a great thing, and thinking that you are more enlightened or you have more knowledge is as bad as, you know, a normal person have ego and think that he is the best. Okay, have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. So stay humble and respect everyone, all right, and treat everyone with love and respect. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.